I'm like that. Yo gang, what is up? It's your boy Liz, aka MotoBroo. We at the lot and we got some Banshees out here today. As you can see, bro, the big 350 2-strokes. To be honest, I've never seen a Banshee like this, stood up. Little hot block out here. They're calling you out, bro. He said he wants all the smoke. Banshee battle going on, bro. Whoa. Look at how it is. Yes, sir. Y'all boys crazy. Oh my God, bro. They're getting so close. And then we got the sport bike joining. Bro, he just downshifted with his hand. Bro, I love just watching this freaking Banshee battle. Like, there's something about the Banshees that, I don't know, they're just so gnarly of a bike. Like, they sound like a nasty Raptor or T-Rex. He said, I'm like that. Banshee battle, bro. I love it. Yo, how did this? Did he? I'm like, bro, how do you get in there, dog? Luckily, he's good. You good? Hey, what happened?
I went on the bar and I hit too much brake, so I got too wobbly and I let it go.
Oh, and the bike just went that way?
Oh, what the hell? That was my third bike ball.
Not this. Oh! Yeah! Yeah, that was gnarly, bro. What's good, G? You're wheeling that? What? Yeah, that's crazy, bro. Let's go. Everyone's out here. It don't matter. You can be on scooter or anything. We got the mini bike squad. What's good, Tate? Good, bro. We got boy Tater on the mini, dog. So, like, these mini bikes have been blowing up recently out here. Like, all the mini bikes. Woo! Look at them, dude. Okay. He really mini bike freaking killing now, dog. Oh, let's go. And we got the other little mini boy Adrian. He said, I ain't dropping it, dog. Oh, yeah, his little 50, bro, is looking so clean. But like I was saying, we have these mini Monday rides. We all just on mini bikes shredding. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah! Let's go! Look at the boys. Let's go. The lot day is just getting started. Yes, sir. Pulling out the quad. Ooh, that brand new R7, dog. Look how smooth it is. Oh, whoa. It's so smooth. Boy, busting on that rolling burnout. Big sport bikes out here, dog. Bro, is it We got Tate, we got these boys out here. Let's go. Sir! We all out here. Hey, 150 boy out here. I want to see some 150 smoke. Woohoo! Bro, we got all types of bikes out here today, dog. The two-stroke. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. The two-stroke sound a little boggy right there. There it is. Woo! I think it's a 65. Let's go. Hey! What is that, 65 or 85? You're killing it, bro. Let's go. You say what?
I popped my tire on the way here.
On this?
Yeah, good. And I noticed, look, how much my tire?
This looks cracked.
It's cracked and everything.
Bro, you're swerving too hard.
I was flying this way.
Yeah.
I was going like 55. And I shot.
That beautiful R7, dog. Woo, it's scraping. Oh, that was close. Let's go. You got no handbrake? No handbrake, right?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, let's go.
hey, stop gearing.
Stop gearing, let's go. Look at the airplane. The boy's still out here working. We got homie on the Banshee, bro. That's the McDonald's Banshee, dog. Let's go. We love that two-stroke. How you doing? You're killing it. It has a middle exhaust, bro, like a Mini Cooper. I'm gonna have to show you all that in a second. Yes, sir. Yeah. Bro, we're just like Alright, gang, Popo just pulled up, as y'all can see. Bro, we were just vibing, dog, all the way in the back, but we got Tater coming in, you know, swanging that bit, hugging that bit. Yes, sir, money. He's gonna ride it up to the track. Hey, bruh, you're killing that Banshee, dude. Fuck. You're leaking a lot of gas, though. It's a new swag, dog. You park at 12. You never let the front tire touch the ground, bro. You always keep it up. Shit. But, gang, yeah, we got kicked out. And, yeah, stay motivated. Merch in the description. Until next time, peace.